Hi everyone, and welcome to MojoFlex. MojoFlex is a theme built for HubSpot that gives you the control and flexibility you need to launch a custom-looking website for less money in less time without knowing code. It has been designed with a modular structure for scalability and optimization. This allows others to adjust or extend all the capabilities of MojoFlex in an easy manner. Today we're going to explore how to get started with MojoFlex and take a brief look at some of its features. The first step with MojoFlex is to edit the design or theme settings in HubSpot. This will allow you to set up all of your brand and default styles that will be used throughout your website, all of your typography, font needs, button styles, form settings, and other elements such as lists and horizontal rules. The next step will allow you to customize the global header and global footer. Today, we're just going to take a quick look at the global header so you can see some of the options available in the theme. You can add an alert bar or a utility bar to your header. Inside this option here, you can actually determine if you want the header to be sticky when you scroll, what the background color you would like to appear when that happens. You can choose your logo, how big you want it for mobile desktop. You can even have a different logo when scrolling. You can add a clear CTA up in the header. And here you can design that off-canvas navigation that comes standard across the MojoFlex theme. If you would like, you can also toggle between the off-canvas and the standard navigation for larger devices. The core of MojoFlex are all of its content modules, or Lego blocks as I like to call them. Today we're going to quickly look at just two different ones so you can get an idea of what's all involved with editing one of these modules. We're going to look at the two-column content section. Every module is built to be highly customizable per page, so you can design the layout you want to have or design that experience you want to have for your end user. For this module, we can choose background options. We've got video, images, you can have a parallax effect when you scroll with images, gradients, colors. You can even insert a background shader to go between your background and your content, and you can have all your content be white or its normal default colors. We also have spacing options that will allow you to choose the vertical spacing between sections. We have some presets. There are also custom ones available for desktop and for mobile. You can also set the container width, so how wide you would like that to be. And for this one, this two-column content, you can choose what split you would like each of your columns to take up as far as percentages go. You can choose how to vertically align it, and you can reverse the order of those columns for mobile. Every module also has animation options. These animations will trigger when you're scrolling down the page and that content appears. You can determine what animation effect you want, such as a fade left. And once you choose that, you can choose how long it should last and what the delay is when it appears on the screen. And you can do this for each individual piece of that module. Team members. This is a module just like the two-column content. We've got all your same background, spacing options, all that stuff. But this module also allows you to add items to this page. So there are also features where you can customize how those items are going to look on this page. So here I can choose the team name background, the team name background color when it's expanded. I can add the team members here. I can choose how many I want per row, 3, 4, 5, and then I can choose the behavior of that team module. Each module will have unique specific settings that you can control to make them be wildly different for each and every page that you wish. There are over 30 modules and templates to choose from to create a wide variety of experiences with any type of content. Those modules and templates will continue to grow as new feature requests are engineered from our MojoFlex community. Currently, we have image galleries, video galleries, team modules, different carousels, testimonial carousels, partner client logos, pricing cards, and even a resources module with a dynamic filter with options defined by you. And this is only the beginning of MojoFlex. Check out our demo site at mojoflex.mojomedialabs.com or reach out if you have any questions to MojoFlex@mojomedialabs.com.